see my dad's right there. So I go in and I see my dad kind of walking around, but he's dressed all casual. So I'm like, what are you doing here? And he's like, well, I'm just checking on the progress of the redesign. You know, I'm visiting all of my units and all my properties today. But I could tell he was just flat out.
I mean, did it look like he had been there for a while? Did it look like he spent the night? Something like that?
No, it didn't look like that, but it also didn't look like he was visiting all of his units either.
Maybe your ex was visiting his unit, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, that's the icky vibe I got from it.
Okay, so looking at this from another angle, though, I mean, so what? I mean, you obviously don't like this girl. You broke up with her. You have a problem with your dad seeing her. I mean, you said he's single, right? Is that really weird?
Well, I mean, for my 50-year-old dad to be dating a 22-year-old?